Hey everyone, it's Joanne. We wanted peace of mind around our home and found the perfect solution in these Eufy Security SoloCams. These deliver really crisp pictures with the 2K resolution we can see during the day and even at night. We decided to install some of the cameras in the woods. We live next to a preserve, and sometimes critter get in the yard for the bird seed, and we have a small dog and wanted to be aware of the coyote. This installation for these was super simple. They're wire-free, so there's no electrical wire needed. They're built to handle the weather, so you can hold up to rain or heat. So the footage is clear, like I said. The squirrel loves the camera time, hamming it up. And we really love the family of deer that come by often. That is really the prize. Then there's the coyote that roams by, so we know when to keep Doggo out of the yard. We love that we get instant notifications of movement even miles away and then stored footage so we can watch the video. There are no subscriptions or monthly fees to deal with. You just install the cameras and the app on your phone, and you can even share the app access for multiple users so everyone gets the notifications. We love them.